Hello 11th graders, this is Ms. Dana Atawi. Today we're going to take a new grammatical structure. It's very important for you to know this grammatical structure because it's not only you're going to have an exam with it, but actually you're going also to take it for next year توجيهي. And I hope that everything will be easy for you. The title of our grammatical structure is Models of Possibility in the Past. Models of the possibility in the past. Now I'd like to circle models and pay attention to the word past. احنا دائما we know that models اللي هم will, can, shall, should, and so on and so forth. We always have them with base verb. But this too just like indicate that we are taking it with the present. Now today we're going to talk about اللي هي models, how we can use models of possibility like when in the past, not in the present. طيب. We can use modal verbs with the perfect infinitive اللي هي have plus past participle to talk about possibility in the past. What does that mean? طيب. Now I actually categorize them into three groups, and if you pay attention you're going to know how to differentiate between them. Now here the first group اللي هي not sure if something happened or not. Not sure. You're not sure of something. When you say that I'm not sure if I close the door. For example, let's write this question. I am not sure if I closed the window or the door. If you want to express it, once you see here that you're not sure about something, then definitely you're going to say that I might have not closed the door. Okay, or I might have closed the door. Okay, both doesn't mean here. Why have you used might here? I have used might because you're not sure of something. طيب. We normally say that might, I always have, I use it with a base verb after it. But why do you use here have and closed? اللي هي have plus past participle, simply because the action happened in the past. Okay. The third group اللي هي negative deduction, اللي هي when you're sure that something didn't happen. طب كيف يعني Ms. Dana? The same example I'm going to use to make things really easy for you. If you say I am sure, okay? I am sure that he was not at home. What are you going to do here, yeah, Miss? Sure. Still, I have to search. Okay, I have here not. So when you are sure, ma, not equals can't. The sentence that you're going to write is going to be like this. He can't have been at home. Then, now if we want to like rewrite them or make things clear for us, we're going to say I have here models. Now these models are in the past. I have divided them into three groups. The first group will here when you are not sure about something. In this case, you're going to say might or could plus have plus past participle. Done. The second group, when you are sure that something happened, sure, ma positive, equals must. And because it's in the past, then going to be must plus have plus past participle. Let's read the second example. I am not sure if he was at home. Remember? And I have to find clues in the sentence, okay? Not sure, then definitely I'm going to use might or could. طبعا you can use could or might. لكن أكتر إشي basically use اللي هي might. I'm not so sure معناته أنا هستخدم هنا might. طيب. If he was, بما إنه عندك هنا was in the past معناته I'm going to use models of possibility in the past, which means that I'm going to use have and then past participle. طب let's form the sentence here. So I'm not sure if he was at home. He might have, was here, the past participle of was, he might have been at home. Okay? Now, so we're done here with the first group اللي هي when you're not sure about something in the past, if it's happened or not. The second group اللي هي you believe that something is true and happened. Okay, we call it positive deduction, and علمي and أدبي. We have taken this grammatical structure, so it's a kind of revision for you. Okay, I'm just revising things for you. Type, you believe that something is true and happened, which means that positive deduction, which means بطريقتنا إحنا حنحكي when you are sure of something that is positive. Remember, something that happens, sure that something is happened, هستخدم very good اللي هي must. طيب. Let's have a look here at the example. احنا حكينا previously حكينا I'm not sure if he was at home. طب what if I write a sentence like this? I am sure that he was at home. I'm going to look for clues. Sure. And you're sure about, and we don't have negative, positive. معناته هحكي he sure هستخدم معها must have been at home. Okay? The third group, when you are sure about something that didn't happen. يعني أنا هنا I have to have not. You're going to say can't. So you're going to say can't plus have plus past participle. Okay? This is the thing that you need to know. So models, when in the past, معناته هستخدم one of these models. Like in after it, I'm going to use have plus past participle. It depends on the sentence itself. Might and could, I use it when I'm not so sure, I'm not certain about something, I have doubts. I use must plus have plus past participle when I'm sure that something happened. I use can't plus have plus verb 3 when I am sure that something didn't happen. Another examples rather than other than the things that we have used. For example, if you say I am certain that he passed the exam. Okay? Yeah. I am certain. Tamam. I need to. So this is sure. Plus, do I have here a negative in this sentence? No. Then it is positive. So I'm going to use must. هيك بحل يا مس. So the sentence, it's going to be he must, because you're sure about something, and in the past he must have passed the exam. طيب. The same sentence, I am not certain that he passed the exam. So I'm going to say here not certain. خلاص هستخدم might معناته. Okay. هتصير عندك هنا he might have passed, which means that I'm not so sure. طب what if I have here I am certain, that he didn't pass. يلا. معناته هنا certain and negative, so he can't have passed. This is going to be the end for our class. Just revise the thing that I have said and look at the sentences. Things will be really easy for you, okay? Have a wonderful day full of love, happiness, and joy. Don't forget, if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me.